This is a follow-up video on how to access the course. After you attended the 1-hour PD module live, you would have received an email with the course link. Click on this course link within the email. When you click on this, it will take you to the course on the internet. Remember, this is a live course. You do not need a login or anything. It's just a live website. Once you arrive at the course, click on modules. When you click on modules, all the modules are going to appear. If you want to watch a recording of the live session, it may not be an exact recording of the one you attended. A recording is here. You can click on module 1 and simply click the play button to watch the live session again. You can click the next button to move through the modules, or you can go ahead and simply click modules. As you go down, you're going to watch, read, or do other activities. All of that is within each module. Remember, you're using your own professional discretion as to what you read and watch to hit your 1-hour PD requirement per module. Also remember, you can always do more. You don't have to only do an hour, but you also do not have to do everything within the course. In order to access the lesson plan document, you're going to go to the first teacher activity, part 1. Here is a lesson plan Google document, or a Word document. Simply click on the document. Let's try that again. Click on the document and it will appear. If you notice, it actually appears, because I'm in Google Chrome, in the dock below. So if I click on this, it's going to open in Word on my screen. If you do not have Word on your computer, but you're using a Chromebook, I will go ahead and I'm going to upload a Google link here that you can just press on to get access to a Google template for this lesson plan. Thank you, and please don't hesitate to email me if you have any questions.